Want bigger battery and status icons? This is a 60-second guide for Android and iPhone. On Android, open Settings from the app drawer or Quick Settings. Tap Display, then choose Screen Zoom or Display Size. Drag the display size slider slowly and watch the status bar icons grow. For more, go back to Accessibility and open Visibility Enhancements. Enable larger text or display options to scale icons across apps. Now switch to iPhone. Open Settings from the home screen. Tap Accessibility, then select Display and Text Size. Turn on larger text and adjust the slider to increase legibility of icons. On some iPhones, use Display Zoom and Display and Brightness to enlarge interface elements. Use a close-up of the status bar to confirm battery, signal, and other icons are larger. Quick recap: open Settings, choose Display or Accessibility, adjust sliders, and check the status bar. Tip: enable Accessibility shortcut and restart if icons don't update.